Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. The OnePlus 11 will be the next big flagship phone from popular Chinese phone company OnePlus, and because we were such a big fan of the OnePlus 10 Pro, we are already looking forward to the next version. We are not talking about the OnePlus 10T, which is expected to be a cheaper alternative to the 10 Pro. No, we are talking about the next big thing, the OnePlus 11. This is likely to be the first OnePlus phone of 2023, but we are expecting a number of not branded devices in the meantime. Based on the previous devices in the series, it will most likely be one of the best Android phones of the year, although we have to wait and see. We haven't heard many rumors about the OnePlus 11 so far. Going by tradition, we will likely see the OnePlus 11 family debut in the first few months of the year, hopefully at one big launch event. After testing the OnePlus 10 Pro and other handsets from the company, here are some changes we want the OnePlus 11 to come with. Number 1. A NonPro version. Is the OnePlus 10 Pro really a Pro if there isn't a standard version? No, not really. But for some reason, OnePlus's only flagship phone of 2022 had that name. Since there's only one phone in the family, OnePlus can only put out a handset at a certain price tag. This means people wanting a more affordable alternative or super premium version don't have anything to buy. We would like to see the OnePlus 11 come with at least 2 members of the family and maybe a third too. Number 2. A less complicated launch. When phone manufacturers launch their devices with a lot of glamour and excitement, it can really drive up excitement for the mobile. But the OnePlus 10 Pro did the opposite. The device was initially released in January but only for the Chinese market. It was then released for the global market in February at MWC 2022, followed by yet another unveiling event in April, which was followed by a release for specific markets. That's very confusing for the average buyer, and it meant that by the time it was actually available for purchase, the OnePlus 10 Pro was old news. We would like this entire process to be streamlined in 2023 so we don't have to wait months to purchase the OnePlus 11. Number 3. Charging quality. The OnePlus 10 Pro featured 80-watt fast charging, which allowed the device to charge from 0% to 100% in very short time. Unless you live in the United States, the OnePlus 10 Pro only runs at 65 watt, which is still fast but not as fast as 80 watt. So we would like the charging speed for the OnePlus 11 to be the same so that everyone can get good charging speed. Number 4. A better zoom camera. The OnePlus 10 Pro isn't the best phone for zoom photography, although its 3.3x telephoto lens lets you zoom further than some rivals. We would like to see more focus on zoom photography in the OnePlus 11 to allow photographers to shine. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.